Guys, it's me, Leon. I'm back with another video. On Chicken Gun, we're gonna play team fight, not capture the flag team fight, which is a play. We're gonna play for 3 minutes, and then we'll see what we're gonna do next tomorrow. So, guys, hopefully your days have been great. If you guys don't know already, my name is Leon333, and I'm back on another video, obviously. And I want to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. If I reach 300 subscribers, I will actually cry. I will be so happy, and that would be the best day ever. So if you guys can reach me, if you guys can get me to 300 subscribers, that would be the best, y'all. So back to the video. Guys don't know already, back then I used to show my face a lot. Only the OGs can remember this. So I used to have 15 subscribers, but I deleted those videos because I just didn't like those types of videos, and that was the reason why they're all gone now. And the main reason why I deleted it is because it wouldn't get much views. I don't have much videos that don't. But back then I didn't have much videos that got views and all. So that's the reason why I deleted them. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow.